In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy chat messages in Microsoft Teams using a quick and straightforward method. Whether you're using Microsoft Teams on a Windows PC or a Mac, this technique will work seamlessly for both. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you're going to open Microsoft Teams on your desktop. If you haven't already installed it, make sure to download it from the official website. Once you have Teams open, locate the chat tab on the left-hand panel. This is where all your conversations are organized, so you'll want to head there to find the specific chat message you want to copy. The next step is to identify the exact message you wish to copy. As you hover your mouse over this message, you'll notice a subtle menu icon appears to the right of the text. This icon looks like three horizontal dots, commonly known as the More Options menu. Click on this menu to reveal more actions. Within the More Options menu, you'll find several different commands. The one you need in this case is the copy option. Simply click on copy and you've successfully copied the message text to your clipboard. This means it's ready to be pasted wherever you need it. To paste the copied text into another chat, email, document, or note, you'll use keyboard shortcuts that are slightly different depending on your operating system. For Windows users, press Ctrl and V together, while Mac users should use Command and V. This action will paste the text precisely where your cursor is located. If you're working on a document or composing an email, this can be particularly handy for referencing previous conversations or sharing information quickly. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll be able to copy and paste chat messages with ease in Microsoft Teams. Keep in mind that being able to efficiently manage and share information from your chats can significantly enhance your productivity, especially if you're working in a collaborative environment. If you have any other questions, or if there's anything else you'd like to learn about Microsoft Teams, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy chatting.